No breakfast?
My late, it's almost 7 in the office.
So you can't spend 30 minutes to prepare breakfast for me?
I was able to office at 6. I'm such a so cool. Iowa! Iowa!
Yes?
Iowa, but you never was in the man wanting. I late.
I'll see you later. Boss, wait a Mr. Why lucky? Machiaba, would the bedi meko? And I am Kuma, and I am quite.
Don't worry, I'll be fine, okay?
But Madam say I should prepare something for you before.
And I'm saying I'll be dressed fine. She's supposed to do that herself. And if she's not doing it.
But he said, as he take care of you.
That's what she said, but I'll be fine. Don't worry, I'll get something on my way to the work.
Ah, boss, that's what you want now for.
What I'm telling you is, if she's supposed to do that herself, if she's not doing it, it's prefer get it outside. All that I want you to do, just take care of the house. We are going in, okay? Thank you.
Boss, save Jenny.
Alright, thanks very much. Mavis, I want to talk to you. Get up.
Oh my God.
Mavis, this question has been bothering me for some time now. Today, I need an answer to this question. Why did I get married to you in the first place? I got married to you for so many reasons. But none of them that I've got an opportunity to get. You don't cook for me. You don't wash for me. And even if I want to make love to you, it becomes a problem. I want to know, is it a crime to make love to my wife?
That's what I'm saying. When I'm 11:30, this is the time I'm 3. It was also 5:30. And I'm baby. Betting that I'm
I can make love to you for even just 10 minutes and I'll be okay. I can't also sleep. So what do I do now? Am I supposed to always beg my wife for love? And even if I do it, I don't even get it? Look at the time. I'm still trying to make love to you and you are still rejecting it. So what's the essence of me getting married to you? Mavis? I can't control myself till weekends. You can make love for about 10 minutes. Let's make love.
Oh, Aze!
Please.
Jump. I never saw no. Mesa my baby tell me I'm a council by for so me. If ever. I never see me tea me call him coach my bread. Or shall I make my rental? This one.
With this mood of yours, even if you give me the chance, I can't even enjoy you. I can't enjoy you. Now I know. Now your questions and the answers which have been baffling me is answered. You are cheating on me. Thank you.
Come on. Now where?
That is none of your business. I'm going to drink.
Hello. How are you guys? Good.
The clients in Sunyani called. The goods are in. And so I have spoken to the accountant. He's going to give you petty cash. So tomorrow what you're going to do is this. You're going to pick a car and then you go and then pick up babies. And then you leave for Sunyani. So don't come to the office in the morning.
Okay, thank you.
I'm talking to you, you're walking out on me. I'm talking to you, it has gotten to that level. In now, when you say your appointment there, we have to go and meet our doctor. You are here telling me you are going to work?
Cash was saying, a client in Fanguchava. On the court now. Also, no go share meeting. They can't wait for me. Can go there tomorrow or something.
We should meet the doctor on Sunday. Why did you always listen to yourself whenever you talk to me?
It's my call Monday or some other day, but the meeting is very important. I can't miss it.
Did you listen to yourself? Did you listen to whatever came out of your mouth? In other words, you're telling me the meeting is much important than me, your husband?
I didn't say that. The meeting is not important than you, but the meeting is important than this marriage.
Mavis, you're telling me the meeting is much important than this marriage? It means you don't respect this marriage?
Yes, I'll say it and say it again. Because if I wasn't working, we wouldn't have gotten married to me. What's all this?
You have the guts to use your left hand to talk to me, your husband? Memphis, you want the regret for saying this to me? It means you respect your job more than me. Neither the marriage.
Boss. Why are you misleading your wife like that? Why are you misleading madam like that? Again, there was no fear. Said you, me have a flow of fear because I was over me. When you're dead, I am as I am. I'm not a woman being. I am not supposed to do what 12 years. As you have for there when I want to say, no good job of friend was a chimney as a chim coming for so. Yes, we to check one about one fast. Me any pass a while. The piano, madam, I had in there. And you baby, I know who I'm going to go. I'm in a castle. And now, yes, said, we forgot baby said, Crammer only to make you. And a tough in the Bema. Once was a wife for your head and after for Bema. Cafrat. Nephew, Adam, madam.
Has it gotten to this?
Oh, Jado Churchill. Mention me before cry. And you also make a fool beyond. No more than about low class, who can come home. My pass all of them. Me, my pass all of them. Jado Churchill, but some we can share me. Ah, I was on a perform go from when I can say. Me no want me voice bia. You was said there. Open go some of no do come them come can be do about house around now. Share me more class. More testing so.
Paris, the 100 cedis I gave you was just for a shirt. And I think it's enough.
100 cedis. Now shut one nation come no $30. Sure she won the ball. 23 Ghana cedis. Come on, my saying. Can you cheat them down? Share what to me from boy. I have one people brother.
Let me add 50 to it to make it 150.
150 Ghana cedis. Shit. 150 cedis. You also want to go first and our time. Not to a boutique actually.
Yeah.
What's that? 150. No land farm. Partner, oh, send a home visit here for saying son of Subanti. Minam sister and Belcracker, then our Pochino, come and feel. Because I was here cheering. She has found I alone. As a ballet when you know, I said, I'm sending up. At the end of the day, you'll be a bowing. Now, guy on the baby, I can't even home for present any of the fans. To make a response, I'm young with Daddy and I, what does it? Banning the horse, I am over my boss. I'm in this. Aye. After the move on.
God, man of today.
Hey, sister. I mean, one drink.
Maybe. Honestly, I don't feel like taking it. Because I'm so stressed out. Yes. Boyfriend is giving me a problem. Can you imagine we just had an argument this afternoon? Just because he asked for money to buy shit and I gave him 100 cedis. Babies, this guy threw all the shit I need to hear to my face this afternoon. Just because I gave him 100 cedis. As if he gave me the money to give it to him. I have to add extra 50 cedis to it. And crying, it wasn't easy. He has to go to the extent of telling me even the shirt he's wearing, he bought it $30, his shoes, 300 cedis, even his hair, the cream he's using for his hair. Girlfriend, I'm just sick and tired of the whole thing. Honestly, I don't know if he thinks because he's handsome or I can't leave him for another man or something. I just don't get it.
It's not easy. But sometimes oh, also need Jaya, me able to solve no. The same to me. It is only put Jaya and when you're better to solve no more. That's
right, all right. At least you are married. But look at me, you're not married yet. So imagine, starting from here. You can imagine when we get married, what will happen? Am I the one going to sponsor him or he is the one going to cater for me? Tell me. Is it going to be like this? Yeah, I can't take it anymore, honestly. I'm just tired of the whole thing. Oh, seriously. I can't take it anymore if it continues like this.
Azay. Adema since morning you cook why this why cook you can't say let's go on street. Adema why won't I be cold? Why won't I be cold? After I have problems in the house with my wife? Then I mean should I smile to my clients? I've said what I'm supposed to say. I've done what I'm supposed to do, but this fucking lady wouldn't listen to me. I see. You just how I did time out. Who's what catch you fucking? We are fucking. Opa, I don't know what you know. What's that just why fucking? And that means what you are fucking. And you just how I did that. My brother, you don't understand. She doesn't want to be controlled. A life without instruction means you are living a life of distractions. So what if you now couldn't control? Now some person couldn't be control. Now I instruct you. It means you are going astray. My brother, Into us me so fucking at the man. But in your man and Dana Kwanso. To the sense that I have to do what I'm supposed to do. But if it's sometimes going out to buy food myself. When we go to break, as soon as I land the break, and she gets up from the break, come and sit on her computer. All that she'll be doing is just be monitoring what is on the PC. To tell me about my particular son. Do you call this marriage?
I say, share my main cancer on show. The way I know my sequel. So I'm walking my muffle. Nana Transa and Cassa. So Obanu Kuna, one few of one a bit. We cannot crepana, one few of one a bit. Before we bring fine idea to Miss Show, now which I'm out.
When you hear Granny, tell me we should move the car out and go and get something to eat outside. All the advice he gave to us is about time we need to work over it. Dr. Namaya said, Nyamiyato, you have no problem. Everything about you is perfect. Mr. Nyamiyato, there's no problem. But it's about time we need to get time for ourselves. I personally name some programs we created them in Nima House and attend to. But one doctor speaks that sometimes on CT you also come. Into the floor, I'm only trying to tell you, say, take 2 months leave from your work premises. Nothing a fee. Have time for yourself and have time for me. That's why I called you.
Imagine about someone 2 years leave for what? I won't am the man. But man are 2 different things. Did time to look leave for 2 years for what?
Have help those who help themselves. Also, so what the Wabuana. Into Moben Wabuan went through. Say, woman who crying. Oh, Bunko to just string at me. I've never seen you praying before. You don't do it. And he said, Dr. Namayati, as you say, Yan Tinasi, Nayan shedding a mebeya. It's not a crime. Any taboo. The only thing is, 2 months leave. Ever since I mean, I'm not for the past 4 or 5 good years, and me, won't you live that? Oh, 5 years live at the hotel. Every year, be 1 month, 2 weeks. And it's only 2 years at a leave, Grana, and require about 3 months. So why can't you take such a leave? Now can't your boss, it's about time you need to have time for yourself and have time for your husband.
I mean to make a deal for 2 years. Now I'm very financial because of you. I can't lose my job. For what?
All right.
I can't.
Mavis, don't forget this. Ever since I got married to you, not a single day, my cousin now would see that. Don't forget, say, ding as in a dear mood. I respect you as my wife. That's why whatever you say, sometimes try to keep mute. But you one day regret it. I'm done.
Mavis, why are you not talking? Are you okay?
It's my husband.
What is your day? Our housewife. The reason is enjoy you. You can't enjoy you. I buy it so much dead matter.
Why do you have to advise her so on person engagement?
Are you listening to yourself? So because the husband says she should stop working, so she has to stay in the house and be what? Housewife.
You just sit the man down. If the man still insists to judge man, I will advise you say you have to stop and be a housewife. I'm confused. I don't know what to do.
Listen, don't stop working, okay? Continue to work.
Mr. Hinako, good afternoon, sir.
How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. And the reason why I called you this afternoon is that, and the important meeting about the whole thing is concerning my wife.
Oh.
Of late, things have really changed in the house, and whenever I talk about it, it becomes a problem. So I know you being the boss, you can chip in.
Okay.
So concerning the time she leaves from the house, she leaves as early as 5:36. So based on that, she doesn't even prepare breakfast for me before leaving.
Oh, okay. You're talking about the attendance. I mean, over the past 4 years, her punctuality to work is so amazing, and I think I have you to thank for.
I hear. Thanks very much. And aside that, she's a married woman. So if a married woman is supposed to leave the house without preparing breakfast for the husband, it's a problem.
Sorry.
And which is, of course,
sorry.
It's really a problem.
I understand.
This issue has been bothering me for some time now. I've spoke over it and still, she's still at the same position. So I thought, you being the boss, you also have the same situation, or you
yes,
don't?
no, my case is different. When I'm not going home very early and I'm going to be late, my wife will bring the food to the office.
That sounds very good, but roughly, I beg of you, can you please give me some time?
We would look at her schedule and then see if we can give her 1 hour earlier to get to the house and then do something for you.
It's still the same situation because, you know, doctors advise that we shouldn't eat in the night. And if she's close around 10:30, 11, and you are giving her 1 hour before the time, the difference is she might get home around 8:39.
So what do you suggest?
Roughly 7:30 wouldn't be bad, at least. I can eat and take some oranges, another sweet after months, which will clear something because it's really pissing me off. I beg of you, boss.
I will look into the matter. Okay, I'll look into the matter and then I'll get back to you. Okay.
What is good about this evening? Mavis, what's damn good about this evening? You go out and come and greet me good evening and you expect me to respond by saying good evening, sweetheart? Mavis, you have totally changed. And you better change from that stupid attitude of yours. It's just so a bad feeling. Look at what the time you are coming home. Hush.
Say traffic occur. Was me prepare by 5 a.m. I'm doing number 6. A bit better than next fee. As an amako.
You prefer to do my doors or yelling now. So what you my doors one, you're supposed to do all of them. Again to the proper summit Casa and ma, my neighbors said to me, the homie as a disgracing myself in outside. You better change because if you don't change, I will change. You've got an opportunity to even leave your car in the house. It's a pressure mom seven talk about ya. Never do baby.
I don't feel like driving. I'm boss to be seen with you.
What she saying? Look at what she's saying. You don't just feel like driving. And to feel now pressure. Who plan to my question man? Now come with my question. Oh boss in your baby see you get.
What is wrong with it?
You've got an opportunity, you are misusing the opportunity, babies. You have then got an opportunity and you are misusing the opportunity. She dress out of the man up. And you see from can 2% of them, who boss and watch it. Who boss one watch it. Babies, if you don't change, I will change. If you don't change, I will go ahead and change.
Baby. I'm very sorry. Let's rest for 30 minutes and then we'll rush and
take off your filthy hands on me. What's it, your kind? You are telling me to go and rest for 30 minutes and go to restaurant with you? Me who for some beer, you don't do anything in the house. The washing machine washes my clothes for me. Mavis, you are them getting on my nerves. You are getting on my nerves. Suck to marry.
Sometimes you make things so difficult for us.
Mavis, you are here telling me I'm making things very difficult.
I am a working lady.
Oh, look at what she's saying. Look at what she's saying. Today Mavis is telling the whole world that she is a working lady. Then you have to do the responsibility as a working lady. You have to buy for yourself. You have to do and pay the utility bill yourself. The dress that you wear every day, I buy them myself. You have to buy them yourself from today onwards. And if you don't change, from today onwards, I'll change this damn shit house. Time, you must say, near the Unyadaji and Famano. 6 now will go. Never fear 10. Tell Mom also say in an engine. Oh, our ring. On one is in your mouth, one if you do a year name and a hard drink. What kind of point which no material say? So on what car, don't I say? It's a mystery. You can. So be your time to cry any idea, man. Or Bible crack, I said, or bar be Janina and the nature, or in home family, not be a number. We not a half and a baby, and a half and a baby, Sebi, and so any. To Miss Show. Why? You will be a teacher soon. You can break a car.
Some are kind of you'll be a Juma. I was in my office 6 o'clock in the morning. They can't be here once I say. Minute will be one of me, meaning that time, some yammy de corner, yammy pom. Will be a man I may. Oh, almost a Michelle was a fear will be bearded. But sometimes I was a mere just support. Was about 1 year Juma, any dream for what's was a winyaska, and a yardie. Missing for his kind of broma, Emma. It's when as a management. Man, be a good name out in your mouth for being on the wall. Bravo, my postcode rich. Boom degree. Means if I'm at Tenerife for my housewife.
There is a saying that 2 masters cannot control 1 ship. That's true. My father, Etta Cassim, Mr. James Robertson. Was it the good things are written on sea, but the bad things are written on grass? The good things about her is when I go bankrupt, she supports me. When I'm in need of money to clear my goods from the port, she supports me. I pay her back when I'm done with it. In so many angles, she supports me, but I pay her back. I have no comment about that one. But the bad aspect about her is that what I'm telling her to do, she's not doing it. I've said this 1,000 times, but this lady is not willing to change. And these are the things I'm complaining about it. But if she's not willing to accept it, my dad always says, one day you go know that this is advice from my father. My father advised me, I did not listen to you. My brother, I'm getting to my room. Whenever she's okay, she can come. That's it.
When the customer now will train tea.
I didn't tell me now will train tea was my worker. Because everything now you say is rubbish. I worry him, we don't talk about degree. I worry him. You don't damn talk about degree. You have to calm down and listen to whatever your husband tells you. In a way, we don't talk about degree at all. Even if your husband is totally bankrupt, he supports you in so many angles. Which I say, but whenever I speak, this lady is not willing to change. My feelings is not from the job I do. My feelings is not from the job I make. My feelings is from you getting a time for me and to prepare food for me. We will see. I rest my case, my brother.
So just have time for me. I said I don't have any problem with it. So what are you? Going to know? Oh my God. I'm in the house. I should have thinking of myself. Yeah. I beg of you, just a minute. Just a minute. What is it? Sure. Yeah, hello, sir.
Aze.
What is it? Can't you see me talking on phone? Don't you distract me. Now that's spoil my mood.
Hello. Yeah, I was only talking to somebody. Whenever you're ready, just give me a call and I will attend to you.
I've said this over 1,000 times. Your friend is a different person altogether. I've told her to prepare something, even prepare something and keep it in the fridge. So whenever I come in later and at least I'm hungry, it's a matter of me taking some, microwave it up and eat it. And she wouldn't do it.
Is there no food in the kitchen? Actually, that's what I do normally. Because whenever I'm leaving the house, I make sure I cook something just so that when my boyfriend comes to the house anytime, he can get something to eat. Yeah, so it's just like just open the fridge and whatever you want to eat, get it in there, warm it up. There he goes. So there's no problem in the house.
Fred, I just want to be full and go to bed, that's all.
So do you have any food stuffs in there?
Everything is in the kitchen.
Okay, don't worry. I'll try and get something for you.
Anything goes. Provided I'm full, I just go to bed with it.
Okay.
Jesus Christ, what do you think you're doing? I know you to be baby's friend.
snatching my responsibility. Then go mathematical.
Oh my God! What do you think you are doing? Now get out of my house.
She don't mean it.
I know what I'm saying. Either you do it or I throw you out myself. From me. And then walk out of my house. Are you deaf? Now go before I do what I'm not supposed to do.
Shouting.
I'm shouting because I've said it and you don't want to listen to me. Now walk out of my house.
Okay, fine.
You better do it.
Excuse me.
Stupid idiot.
Look at the records, it's telling you that you are always late. 9, 9:30, 10. What is it?
Boss, please, I'm sorry. Mama says you have a daughter and a husband to take care of them.
So you are trying to tell me that your daughter and your husband is more important?
Boss, you know, I prepared their food in the morning before coming in. You know, 6-year-old daughter, she's too young for me to leave her at home. So that's the reason why.
Are you not married? Are you not married?
I am, but I try to be here at 6 early in the morning. This should be a reason for you to always be late.
Maybe you don't have a daughter, so you don't understand what I mean.
What are you trying to say?
Boss, I'm sorry.
She's married. She has a husband. You have a husband. You cook, she cooks. And so what's your problem? It's as if you don't want the job. Do you want it?
Please, it won't happen.
It better not. Because if it does, you're out. If it does, I promise you, you're out. Are we clear?
Yeah.
Good.
I'm sorry. Thank you.
You're welcome.
What's that?
What is that? What is it? You are a woman, you're supposed to understand me, okay? You have to be on my side. Maybe you don't have a child, that's why you are doing that. When you have your own baby, you understand what I'm going through.
Why should you bring the child issue into this conversation?
What? But what you are doing is not fair. You are a woman, you're supposed to be on my side.
Sales girl. Yes. Why? What happened?
Yeah, it's a long story.
You don't worry, I don't have time. Let me get my card.
Okay.
Yeah, Vina.
I'm coming up.
Just say best buy is make a correct name the time yeah, babies. Is it a brain pan or best story of fear? A shot at me. I found bad. Send it dear. Oh, I'm cutting at him. I just ran. I did your number of fee.
Well, you send me a very good. When you said you're a pan of that time. But I shake, okay, so many as ever fee.
What is she doing?
Tell me.
I know it's Tina, and I'm asking, what is she doing here?
I said, I know. What do I know?
And I respect you as my wife, she must also respect you as her husband. Just let her out. It's as simple as that. If you don't do it, I'm going to do that myself. Do you know what really transpired between the two of us when you were not here? You don't. So you will never understand what I'm talking about. So I'm telling you to let her out. It's as simple as that. This is my house. Whatever I say is fine now. You do it and do it better, or else I can't do that myself. So do it. If not, I'm going to surcharge you for that.
Tana, then I go school.
Honestly, I'm lost. I don't know what your husband is implying. Maybe you are like a sister to me, okay? And there's nothing going on between your husband and I. Nothing.
Are you sure?
I'm very sure. See me off. Come on, that's the truth. See me off before your husband comes out and scream again.
Look at you. Looking good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Hello.
Yes.
Mary.
Oh, okay. Hello, Mary. Let me say.
My husband.
In fact, she has said so many things about you. So I'm really glad to meet you here. This is your house. You have the audacity to go wherever you want to go. Okay? I beg of you, you have no problem at all. Feel free and live with us.
Thank you.
Okay, sweetheart, I have an appointment, so I would love that you're going.
Okay.
So we'll meet you moving.
Okay. Have a
Take care.
nice day.
Thanks very much.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
made it, is it?
Is this where she's supposed to stand and welcome us?
Sorry.
Please. Mavis. What do you say here, Mavis? Mary. Can you please? I'm tired. Can you throw this away from me? Thank you. Mavis. Why have you frowned your face like this?
I'm not offending me. Mommy, you made.
Mommy, you made.
Where are you sing him, my dear son? I was a maid, Mom.
And I'm four indeed. And who is she to you?
I'm your friend.
Your friend. Friend indeed. If she's your friend, let her come and sit with us. That way, you won't send her. Oh? Yeah. Are you not the one that feed her? So she is a maid. Let us smile, okay? It's my birthday, you can't spoil my mood for me. Hello. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Sorry. Make.
Next time, me jawas. Next time, me say.
Whether you like it or not, she's gonna
So nice, my wife.
all the fun.
Mary.
Mary.
Libya, I'm a cousin. We asked me about the game which he said before I sent my boy. Freeman sent out Bell, say Kim. Mary, say Mua. Say me. Let me who you ask me what on water. And so how? Say, Miss Minister Boswa. No, my team as me could be quite one for channel.
And I may be sure for an hour.
Oh, I don't come. Maybe I said no. Maybe I said no. Say one can say to me. You will obey Fiano. So Tianet. So Tianet. Many
Says anything I was waiting.
Says anything I mean, Cassie. Obey Fiano. I want a damson, Sebi. I want a damson. I knew my home offended to you. The money will be any desire one. I was up for plate it here, been watching you pop to you.
Ah, you what?
Sadly, now in Miss Road, a year child. And Cano Mayer, intimidate you and you go and say, a more great big woman before you go. Piotr, I can't be bad. You go. No, we ain't there, chat.
Hello, Mary. You have introduction. Mary is a very close friend. Mary is in a passion of Mary's a dream of senior here. Mary, but trust me, she has been so supportive to us. If you have I see need to see from I'm not going to say, the pianist often no comment about. She prepared good and delicious food. And yes, I'm just impressed, but I was like, oh yes. Sorry, oh, excuse me.
Yeah. Boss, me get man.
I be my man.
Wow. Check it out.
Oh, come short, you know, shower wearing now. I say, baby, you're very nice, pa.
Very important personalities.
Hey, VIP. Come on. Is that a VIP also? Yes, I'm you know.
Excuse me. Please. The food is ready.
Oh, okay.
May, should I set the table now?
Yeah, come here.
Hey. Wow.
Babies.
Why?
Like, seriously? Is this not the same girl I met here some time ago?
Yeah, no.
Why is she dressed like this?
Oh, so fear.
Oh, Fie. Are you not in the house? Why are you dressed like this? Huh? So, like, the whole thing is confusing. You're sitting right there, relaxed and saying, oh, Fie. She's going to snatch your husband, okay?
That's it. She can't do that.
She can't.
No, Mary is a very good girl.
Also, then, I'm not madam. No one can see the so nice. And I share Mary was a wine pair, 12 with an hand and 2 with them. Everything you will say in his film. Hey, maybe some money in the hole. You do so kind, baby girl and cows.
When your sisters are taking their husband, their sister's husband away.
So, my one and never was some. Because I will be as well. You. Who must never inside for the moon? Mary wants a son. No, can't do that. She can't do that. You can't meet several family busy riding on her. Oh, she can't do that. She won't dare. Oh my God.
Thank you very much.
Oh, welcome.
Thank you very much, dear.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Mary.
Please excuse me. Okay.
By His grace, my darling, it was really been very hectic, but by His grace, we are managing.
Good.
I have an issue sometimes. I feel like telling you sometimes. Something tells me to hold it. But honestly, let me just go ahead and tell you. Concerning Mary, your friend, I guess the very day that she was coming over, you told me she was coming to live with us for our choice. She has been here for more than 2-3 months now. I don't know what are her plans per se.
Sweetheart, who's a Mary? On in your own place. There's a nice own place now. We're going to be out. If you are not in a man in general, though no one longer signed I have, to move out. It's also bad if you say you're not trying. Why you be a mind? They're now complaining now. On Saturday, don't complain. She does everything for us.
My dear person, do you know me? I don't have a problem with it. At least ever since she got into this house, I've seen so many changes in this house. The neatness and everything is perfect. So she can choose to live with us for 5 years. I don't have a problem with it. All that I have, or neither all that I wish she should attend to is just to give the respect. That's all.
Sorry.
No, I'm losing your woman's wife. In a way.
But I've been a tomato.
Banabema. And what I'm for Bema to iPhone amount. I'm coming.
Don't worry, the manager.
Just be careful. This is a man cardio puncher.
Thank you.
I'm here much, you know. Me too going for some important appointment. You know, and you had him around. Whilst we did dances ever since I'm married by Fiona, she has been so supportive to us. The problems and everything is no more. Now we live in harmony, life. And you know, so Nipa need to support to say we need to also give her what she wants. Although she has never complained, but we'll see your body, we'll see many giving her to turn home maybe. So be in case if she needs something, she wouldn't hesitate. And to be a drawer now, I will drop no third drawer and a sika, a woman. You better and we can assist the man. So fun to know, no fun to tell me maybe. Why?
Okay.
What do you think?
Yeah, it's okay.
And it should be more than 3 months.
Now, how will you say?
Roughly 3 days. Okay. I miss you so much. That's the nature of the job.
Mavis. And where did you say your husband is?
He has gone for a business trip.
He has gone for a business trip. Okay. And that your friend?
She told me she's going to visit her friend and she'll be back in 2 days' time.
I see. And you believed her. Babies, have you ever thought of this? Like, anytime your husband leaves the house, your friend too is not there. Have you thought of that? Because I suspect something fishy between the both of them. Oh yes. Girl, are you sleeping? Huh? Maybe wake up, okay?
Can you believe she's using iPhone 6 Plus? And when I asked her, she told me her friend gave it to her.
iPhone 6 what?
6 Plus.
Mary.
Yeah.
God, do you know how much that phone cost? And you believe that? Sandra.
Yes, dear.
Tell her what you told me the other time.
Mavis, my dear, to be honest with you, the last time I saw your husband and that girl at a restaurant.
What? Oh yes. Oh. And you didn't tell me.
Exactly. Anyway, now that she has told you, I think you know it now. Because she told me before that I had to do some little investigation to know how things are moving. You know me. Now that everything is clear, a friend of mine in church told me she saw your husband and that Mary girl in a hotel.
What? Mary and my husband in a hotel?
Have you ever lied to you before? No. So that's the truth.
Oh my God, I'm going mad.
Don't be mad. Act back.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Good. I'm good to know, sir. Try.
Babe, how are you? Are you okay? You sure? Yeah. hospital.
Mary, if you want me to me feel, then you can jump now. Mary, them one I know fair. Mary, do you? You man want yam.
Me you would say, but you know sir.
Kasa me pet on yam.
Me. Me mo but I.
Mary, tell me what's here. Before I'm ready to look you come down, Mary.
Oh, by how many?
Mary,
I feel you see.
Tell me what's here. Now why?
Oh, that one in the name of what?
I'm not young.
Can't say where the road goes, where the day flows, only time.
What we did was nothing wrong, okay? At least we did it to save your marriage. So I didn't know complaining right now. Huh? Oh, please.
Okay, who the main country? And to part said you man I say I heard you who an answer there. Answer who be able to say.
So what Busan say? Send you now open massive, no person. Maybe so perhaps man go to that extent. So remember I'm impregnating. No. And to just think, okay, when you
Mavis, where do you think you are going? And where are you coming this time of the night? Mavis, you've not turned to be a thief. When you're coming inside your own room, you have to hide. Squeeze yourself, mingle yourself and come inside. You've not turned your stamina. When you're talking to me, you begin to become a bit nervous. So when are you going to change? Mavis? There was nobody to be found. You are not in the house. Mary is not in the house. It's all Ayua. And Ayua can't prepare anything for me.
Mary Nifi. Mary!
Nobody else, because she's nowhere to be found. She's not here. So don't waste your energy by calling her. What were you supposed to do? As a responsible, proper wife. You call Mary. Mary, I'm not in the house. Mary, somebody needs my help. So based on that, can you please prepare something for my husband? But every blessed day, I have to scream. Every blessed day, I have to talk on top of my voice. Every blessed day, I have to cry because of just common food. So when are you going to change, Mavis? When are you going to change? Thank you. I should have gone into my bedroom and sleep. But I tried to wait for it to see you coming. And observe the time. So again, there's a problem. At this time of the night, you were expecting to eat something in the microwave for me to eat. I should have gone to the bedroom and sleep. But I wanted to shock myself and observe the time you were coming from outside. Look at your dress code. Look at what you're wearing. As a married woman. I least expected these things from you. You better change, Mavis. Change and change for better. Because when I change, it will be worse than that.
Kasi mo hwe ni ase bi nti fiampo no ne pa bia ne pressure say ni say be ma no wonye hwe azi bi da ma ka chi ni si tutu a etwe be ma enkomre nyina ya papa bi o so ni say abaya no o bi di she ni pa ma ni apre nyina e wo hu ntia wa hwe no wa hwe yi a na busuafo no so ya o ba chi speechless. We are totally speechless. We should marry Aja. It didn't know so to me. Look at her age. It didn't know such a person between me and Ramanai. Yes, I say, what should I love? I say, the age as a monk. Only say in two and a maybe. But in the moment, can do grow in Central Police Station Kubisa. Ever since an incident we see in that very day Nakasa, make a report to Central Police Station. I may see this Munama Bonti proper investigations. I won't. The picture why my friend ya can more than I'm a penny point. Information centers will come in, you won't believe it sent me this car. I have to give them money because I need such a person in this house. Me this girl kujija every blessed day before on be your business a mom tuntun ronia that day no informations distribute and more beer who say nipa say ayira into they should look for her in case they find her. Kweku auntie sir, don't mislead me please, I beg of you.
Mavis.
Yes.
What's America?
It's an account. You know if we are at a hospital. No one said it's an account. It's a meaning so question now for no. So Connie auntie home. Cemetery was Sam, yes.
Ever since gay free fear, Minya in night grandfather. Because Nipa will bow dear. Will be a soon himself. She said, look, I say, ye chin up, pen, ye won't be beer. Would you doubt to me that? But what about me? Mean to me not just because me won't be put here. Say, quite been a way too pa. One can't choose if you were too quick. The phone I'll be free. Her phone is off. Information centers are medical jay. Still, many information being free. FM stations, still. Central Police Station, still. What do I do? You need that. Who cry or you were down for pano? You sleep all right. So I telling me it's a minject really. Then call some of your friends to verify whether she's there. Or one has to hand a one pay bill, no problem. I will have my peace of mind and sleep. To your show, so you be a woman.
I say, Miss Minim baby, oh, what can I can't show?
Oh, down, but I can't sleep. She was living in my house. You said the panel to me fear and I said she's nowhere to be found out. Why should I sleep?
I'm not sure Madame for. I'm something I met or Madame for. But I say I should not be in Yansan canoe. Some minute, I go police station, I go radio station, in San Yankam. It's young train, if you want to Basaba.
Kukuba no blame me if I'm not doing what I'm
As
doing.
a many could have been done. Why? I'm not quite sure.
Kukuba no blame me, accusing me. I said, the machine, maybe. But I'm doing it. I'm doing it. One of my relatives be here.
I've been here to tell me about one of our boss.
So, when you sure said, when you can so baby,
They said, my friend phone is and go through. I'm even surprised.
If it's what now, why be beside us? I will pay 1 month and I didn't be besides that. Me, my man, me papa, no far. Miss Yamu squeeb, and a bit here among Waka shower.
I met Mary on the roadside. There was some one shop where I was so returned. I just felt pity for her, don't never me feel. Many a chance if you could have bush any be out.
It's so easy besides what I know. Oh, I would number fear, who made an own Christian mamma, the papa bush any piano, and also number few sacket. Eh? Now, only with Fiana, Nanny J.
Everything was perfect. No. She was like a sister to me. My family see me near and I say, be see it.
You'll be any if you do more. Catch me, I will come in on them.
See, when Mama, eh? My name's a local police station. I can't even eat, I can't sleep.
No problem to me, I never made it. And you say, be a baby until, and I'm so, and I'm the home Mary. I'm about Penacin. You want to call. The picking us so much. I'm just a dear baby and tear. Maybe the wife shall say, oh, no worry, do we are not a sea chacha? Very bad fear. I want not to know. Oh, see, Kunyama, or no animal. I'm a woman, I must be at a worry. I fear the dinner. Oh, I'm not fair. You okay?
Mary. Mary. Don't you have right?
Mrs. Cecil, investigation maybe I heard. Me now, if you say, man, who need a bar, who need a bush for? Who none in a school, how will you meet? It's one name now for phobia, or nim or more. Who bet me a quack or big runner, said you would do what you know, baby. If you know a dinner down for being sweaty, and then you couldn't feel. And I be grow cobus and you. It's messed up. Send me to an among Uncle Cobus and fee, no share. And I say, we were calling now for fully be walk or be a not what you met in the Why, what that woman? He said, there was a be a he said, one fun of the baby now. Tibuay, a friend. Why? None one.
Officer. And one.
Oh. I didn't do it.
Debbie, me. When you said you were watching up to one, I said,
oh, Debbie. And Rosa. Oh, and Yen no. Wait a mess with it, and then no, sir. It's so bad. Baby, I do not know why. Is he was here? What I say, it's yet to an amount and a baby at the woman. Is it? Why? Miss Row, it's in a way. Sit in a quick.
I say, didn't the PA start to say a camera, some near penny chirapmania? We are shooting money yourself. Okay, one of the series on Gusum, we have proper investigations. I want to know what Baba made information about her. You go so and no customer you into one more. And didn't answer the young one person say you love her so much the stand say just say they are serious.
No, say madam.
Until the number as my baby and then I just me anymore. The last time I heard was say you were trying to show much concern. Lo and behold, it's not my report here some police station and information centers and film stations.
We read the Bia that Insha and that Fox information center maintain that. The Bia Senior Council information center by now the boy.
Officer, good year. You work at
Mesram, when you are proud, I bear when you say will be accused. Mesram will be now, baby, a dream, said the Macan. Banon soon to one. Is you see in Yaye. Yes, one a movie was here to be a bit too. I could come assembly, the Benyan officer. You will be a
there, how many say, so fees over to me. Me, my own jet, one any proper investigation.
Say,
that's what I guess it's
Mesro, say, no, so bet me, Prana, and other years, and maybe will be at me for you. You may yes, and fish.
Officer, what come on?
I see.
What is it? Go ahead and talk to us.
I said, no, I'm free. But maybe I'm from Korea. I say, I am married free of free. Really, or Oba, the Jerry said, be a woman baby. And son, I married free. No,
are you telling me Mary was pregnant before she left this house?
So the name is break. I Mary. The movie in an amentias and go for police bar incident.
Franco, you won't make any meet me, sir.
Tell me some make a tear panning.
If you was a Matias, your crown, maybe it's me and say, but see, I'm more than meeting me in
Debbie, and you know, me and you know, and Madame Fu. And I know it's a man who has and any BPI. What's when a bit man is a big crowd, Yin see, then your infancy, you move behind the day. And I say, Fernand Bonaman, you say, Sebi, the person of Warua, I didn't ask you, Waka.
I won't say, maybe I'm a whoop, I may be fan Bethia. I be brain, I'm mammy. Yes, I cry my head.
And 2% what I see and not be also now, Mamma. Now we see you now.
And can you shade the Minenka?
Debbie, we are son a happy. It's baby a major, when you're watching a gown be. It's in what genocide brain. What just said your more about is a and so, for you could not be out shade them now. Obana, 1 more now, who see you, Mahata. So it's my office baby at now. Education baby I do you know. It's my 12 so. What I say? It's my 12 so. Also in office baby at now. You went to my see happy say eh?
The number you are calling is busy. Please stay on the line or call back later.
Are you blind?
Oh. Wait. Are you?
Pachoma, how are you?
Hey.
Pacho, come in to Atosodeo market.
Men talk to Sodeo market below. It is said you say, Madame, now for full friends, Madame, talk to Sodeo. I have one.
Oh, you are. Is that catch Madame, sir?
Oh, we are Catabari, the mean to me. Only Bobia the man of crowd with you, for Bobiano. Almost said, I didn't mean to say flowers is in Guguso, a papa theatre, own family.
I said, own family.
Oh, macho. One was the feelings in him, sister, but you had a son. Are you why?
We are my mark of your crowd.
Oh, are you why?
Zion being shut. Oh, Martin.
This man's meant to some more.
Sir. Okay, but don't worry. What's on the let's send him about when your mom. No hospital. Why? No problem. Why? Okay. That's. There might be a how. Why? Come on.
Mary. Now they're okay.
You got to me go hospital.
Now the one maybe some conquest.
Oh, tell them me, Juma, I know busy. Tell them person me Hana.
Hospital Ben now come.
You are yourself.
Oh no, mommy found come a personal doctor no me why.
Oh, Bryce, me person medicine.
You are not bothering me. Let's go. Come inside. So from the way to hospital because I can do this, but I have an appointment. And my main friend doctor, my focus is sooner don't pray anything to me. Hello, Doc. Good morning. One name said Isaiah said if I don't get a problem, I don't even call you. And I paid the boko, I am my wife, a down for being a man of the sea. Just attend to where the necessary checkups he also in there and let me have my bill, I'll pay you off. Why? Yes, she's called Mary. Okay. Man in Johnny Killing, she should come straight to your room, right? Okay, I hear. Thanks very much. I'll always count on you. Many like I say, you see all car or room 4. Just knock and get inside. Remember, but don't attend to the key. Just go in straight to one.
Who's say? I don't want country.
Are you telling me you pregnated Mary in this house? Which of course I knew nothing about it? So about you telling me, my brother, I love Mary. I want you to support me. Come and pour sick from. And the baby because the guy is very supportive in this house. Into worry now. One quapontin. One year say no, I'm again a year, I mean chippen, ye who know the beer shenimo, as she shen I reason as our poor reason. Thank you. So, Mamma say Messica and information centers, I say Messica and Central Police Station, I say Messica and no my friend stations, I pay the channel, knowing very well that when the movie. In the shaker, walk with cheap penny. Out there and look for her yourself. Because I'm totally disappointed in you as a brother. I'm disappointed in you.
Drinking.
But you the same food, and you're not married again.
Huh? Oh no, it can't be true.
Mary name you down for you. What? Oh. When you say Okra, you say Okra hospital. It's me who the best will share no count will be an apprentice from slow.
Mommy, you're not so sure.
And I ran a bit for you. Was one marrying you. That's all kind of no soup. Say, who will be Pia? May do a child bunny. Seriously, may do a child for madame. Oh, what did you say? Huh? Sandra. Oh, crap. What if Sergei is loose? And I say, like, you know, anything will happen. I suspected that girl. And the worst has already been done. There's nothing we can do about it. They didn't make it. So my confused. Here, right? It's okay. Just relax.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello, Mary.
Hiya. Mary.
Hello, Mary.
Mary, no, no. Mary, not a food or anything. Mary, I don't want to say. I'm a patch of white. Huh? Oh, when I find out now, come and do us a see. Many are saying, maybe I should show us. May I don't know, sir. Two should come out. Mary Matty, show us you, Mamma. Why? That's it. Bye bye. Yeah. Wait a minute, I'm going to make a
What's he saying? Oh, you're sure it's a man, yes, sir.
What's this?
Jesus. They say, yeah, the who wedding, I'm for some yakasem. What do you want? We are dinner who married. Who was something who married? Who's our young? When you quite fast, what marry any free fear. Me, Chopper, me coffee, me come in Bafia, when you know, me police for my so weary. When you move, and I'm the son, and I marry a free fear. One in enough for no, at your bar, and didn't you marry? What? I got to like you. Oh, in the name said, me? Yes. Me this why. Until they catch us what you want. I knew my bar when ya. Like a machine madly. Then. May I then?
I'm a friend about I say that. No one will need to be there. You should be a couple for me. What am I doing now? What relationship? So my country. Oh, poor. I didn't make a see.
Mavis, so did you do that? Did you do that to Mary?
That's up for the money to me.
My hands are washed out of this issue.
Sir, you are not going to be able to crowd. We're making sure I am fine. Joe, bed them.